next song, I wrote this next song almost 40 years ago. I was 9. Well, I did write it almost 40 years ago, and I do remember some of the words, and I'd like to do those that I do remember for you tonight. She was morning, I was nighttime. One day I woke up to find her lying beside my bed. I softly said, "Come take me." Thank you. I've been lonely, needing someone. So I've done someone wrong somewhere, but I don't know where. I don't know where. From lately, you are the sun, I am the moon. You are the words, I am the tool. Lately, a song she sang to me, a song she rang to me, words that rang in me, rhyme that sprang from me in one night. And what was right became me. You are the sun, I am the moon. You are the words, I am the tool. Lately, so it was that I came to travel upon a road that was thorned and narrow. Another place, another grace would save me. You are the sun, I am the moon. You are the words, I am the tool. Play me. You are the sun, I am the moon. You are the words, I am the tool. Well, thank you so much. Well, there's romantic songs and reflective songs and looking back kind of songs. This is one of those looking back songs. I look back on growing up in Brooklyn, New York. It's a great place to grow up when you're a kid. It was wonderful, and I had my mom and my dad and my kid brother, and that's all we needed. We had each other, and the world was our oyster. If I close my eyes,